Harper got this new kitchen for his birthday this morning.
Yay!
What's that? Hi, buddy. Hi.
Turn it off.
Come over here, buddy. Come around front. What's in there? We like to open the doors and close them. We like to put the sink in the cupboard. Where's the sink, buddy? It's right here. What's this? Where does that go? In the cupboard, close the door, open the door, take it out. Hi! You're gonna eat out of the sink now? Yum, 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 yum. Close the door. Something new. Harper, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.